John chapter 1, verse 35. Again, the next day, John stood with two of his disciples, and looking at Jesus as he walked, he said, "Behold, the Lamb of God." The two disciples heard him speak, and they followed Jesus. Then Jesus turned, and seeing them following, said to them, "What do you seek?" They said to him, "Rabbi," which is to say, when translated, "Teacher, where are you staying?" He said to them, "Come and see." They came and saw where he was staying and remained with him that day. Now it was about the 10th hour. One of the two who heard John speak and followed him was Andrew, Simon Peter's brother. He first found his own brother Simon and said to him, "We have found the Messiah," which is translated the Christ. And he brought him to Jesus. Now when Jesus looked at him, he said, "You are Simon, the son of Jonah. You shall be called Cephas," which is translated a stone. The following day, Jesus wanted to go to Galilee and he found Philip and said to him, "Follow me." Now Philip was from Bethsaida, the city of Andrew and Peter. Philip found Nathanael and said to him, "We have found him of whom Moses in the law and also the prophet wrote, Jesus of Nazareth, the son of Joseph." And Nathanael said to him, "Can any good thing come out of Nazareth?" Philip said to him, "Come and see." Jesus saw Nathanael coming toward him and said to him, "Behold, an Israelite indeed, in whom is no deceit." Nathanael said to him, "How do you know me?" Jesus answered and said to him, "Before Philip called you, when you were under the fig tree, I saw you." Nathanael answered and said to him, "Rabbi, you are the Son of God. You are the King of Israel." Jesus answered and said to him, "Because I said to you, I saw you under the fig tree, do you believe? You will see greater things than this." He said to him, "Most assuredly I say to you, hereafter you shall see heaven open and the angel of God ascending and descending upon the Son of Man." So kung loobin ng Diyos iligtas ang isang kaluluwa, ang tao dapat ituro si Kristo. Tulad ng sinabi ni John, "Behold, the Lamb of God." Ang pagbabahagi ng tungkol kay Kristo sa Ebanghelyo ay isa sa pinakamabuting magagawa ng isang mananampalataya sa kapwa. Tulad ng sinabi ni Andrew, isang unang naging disipulo ni Jesus kay Simon, natagpuan na namin ang Mesiyas at dinala siya kay Jesus. Si Philip din, kay Nathanael, sa verse 45, sabi, natagpuan na namin yung sinulat ni Moises sa kautusan at gayon din ang mga propeta, si Jesus na taga Nazareth, anak ni Jose. Ang lumang tipan ay hindi lamang kasaysayan ng Israel, kundi isang masaganang paghahayag kay Kristo bago pa lang siya isilang sa Bethlehem. Sa Genesis, sinasabi na apakan niya ang ulo ng ahas at siya ay masusugatan sa sakong. Sa hinaharap at sa Deuteronomy, sabi, "Palilitawin ng Panginoon mong Diyos para sa iyo isang propeta gaya ko," sabi ni Moises. Sa Isaiah 53, nilalarawan ang pagdusa, kamatayan at pagkabuhay ni Jesus. Siya rin ang isang type ng kordero sa Passover, mga sakripisyo sa templo. Lahat na ito anino lamang ng mabubuting bagay na dumarating. Si Jesus ay hindi lamang nag-umpisa sa sabsaban, kundi siya ang walang hanggang Diyos na kumikilos sa lumang tipan. Sana mag-udyok ito sa atin, sa pagsamba natin, ay magiging personal at humantong sa nais natin na mas matinding pagkamangha at wastong pagsamba sa atin, Panginoon.